Just a quick video on replacing the rear wiper blade on your Toyota Sienna. Mine is a 2015. First of all, be sure that the blade you are getting is a beam blade that does not have a frame like my old blade. Otherwise, you will get an incomplete wipe. And you can see how dirty it is at the bottom here. So the next step is to turn on the rear wiper so that it is in the middle, and then stop it by shutting off the engine, and then we were going to remove the blade now. So to remove the blade, just grab it, pull it up and tilt it out, and then slide it off just like that. Put the blade back down, put the wiper arm back down gently, otherwise bad things will happen. Grab your new blade. Make sure it's got this one, make sure it has the A insert in place. Lift it up, slide it in. And rest it back down. Pull off the plastic insert. You can see how the beam blade clings to the window a lot better than the old blade with a conventional frame. And give it a whirl and see how well it does. Thanks.